I recently had the idea of doing films involving dialogue, which led me to pick up this really cheap pair of wireless microphones. They come with a nice carrying case, a bunch of accessories, noise cancellation, 2.4 GHz wireless transmission, and a battery life of around 10 to 12 hours. Now, I'm not sure if I am happy about the sound quality, so I will let you decide for yourself with the longest microphone test I have ever made. In this test, I will be comparing the wireless microphone with a single standard lav mic that is placed in between both subjects.
Oh yeah, about our project. What was the circumference of the world's largest pie?
That is a wonderful question.
You know, I looked at some research, and if you paid attention to the guy who ate it, you would basically find that... Wait, you never actually answer my questions.
What do you mean? I always answer your questions.
No, you never actually answer my questions.
I don't get it.
Every time I ask you a question, all you do is comment on my question. You never actually answer it.
Give me one singular example of that.
Last week I asked you whether the kitchen was safe. You told me it was a wonderful question. Look at my foot.
The kitchen was safe to go in.
No, it wasn't. There were knives on the floor.
You could have walked over the knives. Look what happened to me. I'm the one who dragged you out of the kitchen.
No, that's out of the point. Why can't you just answer my questions?
That is a wonderful question.
Yeah, exactly. This right here. You never answer the question.
What question?
A question I asked just now. Okay, can you just tell me the circumference of the world's largest pie? I missed the class you were in.
Well, if you put it that way, now thinking back on the things we learned,
Yeah.
all the research we've done,
Right.
the different pies we've had, and the statistics provided by Jeffrey, I have come to the conclusion that that is indeed a wonderful question.
Oh my goodness, you're literally the worst teammate to work with. What's wrong with you? You know, there was that time that girl asked you out, and you told her it was a wonderful question. That's why she freaking left.
You see, that was her problem.
How could that be possible?
She should have read between the lines. She should have known that was a compliment, you know? It's her fault.
You know, how about you just communicate like a normal person? I'm starting to think that you don't actually have the answers to my questions. Is that true?
That is a wonderful question.
I can't believe it took me 5 years to realize that you can't answer any questions. I've been answering my own questions every time I talk to you. Like, how does your mom feel about this? How does your dad feel
I'm
about
an orphan.
this? What?
I'm an orphan.
I asked you where your parents were when you were 6, and you told me that it was a wonderful question. Look, I really need to go soon. Are you actually incapable of answering questions?
That is a wonderful question.